Team Philippines contra Team Jordan. This is the final day of preliminary action sa 2007 FIBA Asia Championship mula sa Tokushima, Japan, being broadcast over Basketball TV and RPA.
There was JJ really asking for the ball quickly.
In heavy traffic, he gets it off the glass.
Good sign for the Philippines getting the first 2 points of this ball game off a good defensive rebound there by Asi Taulaba.
So Mark Kagiwa taking it into the land of the Taulava. There's the handoff mula kay Kagiwa. He can't get the roll. Offensive board by Taulava. He tries again. It's good the second time around.
Nice hook shot there by Taulaba. Regular center nila si Ayman Idas. There was a flop there and Asi Taulaba took advantage. This time he used the glass properly.
Slim lead for Team Philippines. There's a low post play.
Good
ball
screen.
away. One-hander for Asi Taulava.
That was a good screen provided by Gabe Norwood. Look at this. He takes away that man. I think it was Kelly Williams. I'm sorry. He takes away that. Oh, it was Gabe Norwood. And Asi had a good Jordanian. Di katulad ng Iran, no? Meron talaga silang malalaki. This is a nice move here.
Beautiful pull-up from J.J. Helterbrand.
Point lead here. Good move.
And that play made
low-scoring ball game. It's okay, like I said.
Pull-up jumper, and Kagiwa delivers.
One personal foul, so he should keep away from picking up his second, which should really in the end, try to go for the last shot. Maybe get a foul here.
4 seconds and counting.
They got to take that shot now.
And the three is good.
From J.J. Helterbrand.
His foot getting taped up, so very big possibility na makakabalik siya dito as Gabe Norwood delivers a jumper and no good balik kay Helterbrand. There's the go-ahead pass. And
no! What a slam by Norwood. So all of us good assist pass there by JJ.
And Gabe Norwood was scored a total of 4 points this entire tournament.
And it's the Philippine scouts and coaches are very good. Then Eric Peng finally getting 2 points here. Sinyok.
And Alapag with a 3.
Yes, sir. Tell you when the mighty Maho's out.
The save for Kagiwa. Touch pass inside and Siegel with the conversion.
You can see that Danny Siegel, ordinarily, that could be a 200 dunk shot for...
with 7
nice
seconds
Kirby.
on the shot clock. Kirby Raimundo deep in enemy territory.
Well, he had to make up for what not come back into the ball game. We need the presence of Asi there.
And the breakaway by Jimmy Alapag.
He always has an answer. Make the outside shot. It's okay. Nice pass.
Oh, what a
move by Gabe.
Oh, Gabe Norwood.
And he has 6 points in the ball game right now. But what a good pass by Mark Kagiwa.
Look out below.
That gives us a 4-point lead now, but that's not the...
Kagiwa. Kagiwa in heavy traffic. He gets the basket in rush hour.
Asi ran. He's out the way.
Asi picking up where he left off the first quarter.
And running it properly. Look at the good spacing by the Philippine team. Now let's go back to the...
Punta kay Kagiwa. There's the screen from Asi Taulava. Kagiwa over his defender.
And you see the referees are not going to make the call because the defender was immediately under the cylinder there. And Mark, who had a lot of problems with his steered up shots, has hit 2 here in the third quarter. Being hard to the hoop. Good pass to Asi Taulaba. Underneath the basket. That's the...
So far dito sa ating laro. Asi Taulava at the low post against the double.
Oh, the glass. Come on, Asi. Asi really playing his heart out. He has 12 points in the ball game right now and a very high field goal.
Muli ng Pilipinas to get the lead back.
3-point attempt. Yes, finally. And the biggest offensive game for Norwood.
Team dito sa tournament na ito. Taulava in traffic. He gets the offensive rebound the second time around. No good.
And a good follow-up by Kelly Williams. But yesterday,
and it's back out. Kagiwa looking for the entry.
That's a good drive because
came from the free throw line. Dito sa third quarter.
No, finally missing.
At ayan yung run ng Jordan, an 8-0 run, but that run will end. Salamat kay Asi Taulava who scores down low and draws the foul. Seconds on the shot clock ngayon for the Philippines. Helterbrand. Oh, tough shot.
I got to put some pressure defense, right? Will probably bring up the ball. That's a very tough shot there by J.J. Helterbrand.
Back out to Alapag. Alapag, sinasabi ka depensa. He tries to go for the tip-in. It's back to Kirby down low.
69-57.
The lead back to 14. Team Philippines going for the threes. And Hontiveros makes his first three-pointer of the game. Helter-skelter basketball now. High-flying maneuver there mula kay Jimmy Alapag.
But at least we really prepared for this. We tried. It's our first competition. Another three-point shot here from Dondon Ontiveros, and all of a sudden, we get hot from three-point.
Dito sa FIBA Asia, another long three, and it's good.
Only 22 seconds left.
And now with time winding down,
Another three-point shot by Ritualo. It's just a matter of being able to free him up. He gets an open look, he will bury it, and we lose this one by 8 points.